you hear that? Something's wrong.
Get the touch! Fast! Hold on, little one, we've got you!
Step back, Python. Release the cub.
I couldn't believe how strong this python was.
Now! Don't stop! Grab it! Almost free, hold him steady. Keep the flame high, don't let it strike back. Hold steady, don't let it snap shut.
Almost there. Just a little more light.
As soon as the cub was free, the python lunged.
The cub's slipping. We can't lose him now.
In the wild, snakes are apex predators. Rescuers must act carefully to avoid harm to both the snake and the cub.
Hold on, little one.
It's too tight, we need to distract it.
Almost there.
You're safe now. Breathe. Just breathe.
Stay ready, it's not done yet.
Staying calm is the key to keeping everyone safe.
Back! Stay back!
Don't worry, I've got you.
Back into the forest.
It's backing off, keep pushing.
Teamwork forced the python back into the jungle.
You're safe now, it's gone.
Warmth and herbs help reduce shock.
You're safe now. Rest.
The cub had no chance if we didn't act fast.
If you love seeing wildlife safe, don't forget to like and subscribe.